Hello and welcome to Kemafreak. My name is Kemi Omorugbe. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to make a ladder stitch. So a ladder stitch can be used to finish up dresses or jackets, any outfit you're making that you need a complete inseam finishing. So you need that about 5 to 7 inches opening, and then you need to close that opening up from the outside. So a ladder stitch will help you conceal the seam such that it isn't visible on the outside. And also, if you need to make any adjustments, this is the seam you have to lose out to access the inner seams. I just hope that's clear enough. Let's get right into the video. So this is what we have. My dress is well ironed. You can see how neat it looks. So just this 7 inches wide opening we have here that we need to finish up right away. Now insert your thread in the needle and get ready to do some hand job. So I'll open up the seam allowance I ironed in, put in my needle. Remember, you must have tied a knot at the end of the thread just so it doesn't pull out, so that way that knot will be hidden. So I'll fold the allowance back in and sew gradually. So from this point, I will take in about 1/8 of an inch on one side, that's on the main fabric. I'll do the same thing on the lining, and I'll proceed upward by about 1/4 of an inch, and I'll keep doing the same thing all over. So I'll sew a little bit from the lining, sew a little bit on the main fabric, and spacing the seams like so. So you don't need to tighten the knot or anything, just keep sewing gradually, pulling the thread through the lining and the main fabric. So this is what I'll have once I get to the end of the opening, and I'll just pull the thread right now. Remember, we haven't been pulling all along, so just gradually pull it, and you can see the way the seam is closing up and the threads are disappearing basically. So once this is done, I'll go ahead to sew my knot so the seam doesn't rip open. So I have to tighten the knot properly, make sure that the seam doesn't rip open. So here we have a clean finishing along the center front.